Can Go&Go help me plan my bike and car wash business? Let me ask you something. Have you ever seen a brand new car or bike wash open in your city, only to shut down within a year? Maybe they bought a machine, maybe they had passion, but still no customer, no profit, no future. The truth is, opening a wash business is not just about buying a machine, it's about strategy, about planning, about knowing your market before you spend a single dollar. And that's where most people fail. But here's the big question. Can Go&Go actually help you plan your business so you don't become the next failure story? The answer might surprise you. Here's the reality. Too many investors jump in without gluten. They spend $20,000 or $50,000 on equipment, rent a space, maybe hire staff, and then they wait. But wait never bring customer. Why? Because they do not research the location properly. They didn't understand local pricing or competition. They didn't know how to market, and worst of all, they thought the machine alone would guarantee success. And when the first month ended with only a handful of customers, panic set in, bills keep coming, rent does not stop, and the dream starts to feel like a nightmare. That is the pain point. That's the fear every smart investor had before starting. What if I buy the machine and no one shows up? This is exactly why Go&Go does more than sell the machine. We have you plan the business from the ground up. When you work with Go&Go, you don't just get an automatic buy or car wash system. You get a business strategy partner. We guide you through location analysis. Where are the high traffic areas, new markets, mall, gas station, or highway? Business model design. Do you focus on car buys or a combo wash for maximum revenue? Pricing strategy. How to set price that attract customers but still give you strong profit margin. Extra revenue stream. From coffee shop to helmet cleaning, from detailing to nano coating. Go&Go show you how to diversify income so you don't rely on just one service. Marketing plan. Simple but powerful tactics to get you first 100 customers fast and turn them into repeat clients. We don't want you to just buy a machine. We want you to build a business that survives scale and dominates your local market. So let me ask you again. Can Go&Go help you plan your bike and car wash business? Absolutely yes, because here is the truth. Machine alone don't make money. Smart planning does. And when you combine both, advanced Go&Go technology plus a proven business strategy, you create something unstoppable. The question is, do you want to struggle, guess, and risk everything on your own? Or do you want a partner who has already helped countless operators turn their investment into real profits? If you are serious about opening your own wash, don't let your future to change. Reach out to Go&Go today. Let us help you plan smarter, invest safer, and succeed faster. Because the worst mistake you can make is not buying the wrong machine. Is starting without a plan, and with Go&Go, planning comes billion.